You're collecting data with Typeform, but managing your work with Asana. Neither connects like you need it to, but your work depends on both. At Mesa, you can connect any apps into workflows that simplify how you get stuff done. So your data flows, your updates stay in sync, and your work just happens. For example, create Asana tasks automatically when support requests come through your Typeform for streamlined workflow management. Or update task details with form response data to provide your team with complete context. Or even add comments to existing tasks when follow-up forms are completed to maintain project continuity. Mesa has built-in tools to give you complete control. So things happen when they should, how they should, and only if they should. Whatever you need to do between Typeform and Asana, make it happen with Mesa. Get started today for free.